During the lockdown, the team Aananda holidays thought to visit Shiv Dham, Shri Kedarnath, the abode of Lord Shiva, the 11th Jyotirlinga of Lord Shiva, to pray for the world to get free from the COVID on Saturday 11 July 2020. We assembled Haridwar at 6:30 am for our pilgrimage and started our journey to Guptkashi. We had a wonderful picnic at Rudraprayag viewpoint. The food was really delicious. Evening we reached Sitapur, where we had night stay in Giriraj guest house. Later we took a local jeep to reach Gaurikund, and almost 8 am we have start our trek to Shri Kedarnath ji. During the trek we lost ourselves with the Himalayan beauty. After we enjoyed our lunch at Bhimbali, we witnessed the massive destruction which was happened on 2013 because Ramvada was not there. And we had seen a new bridge crossing Mandakini river, that is a new way to Kedarnath ji. The way was full of greenery, waterfalls, clouds, snow-covered mountains. We passed 3 glaciers on the way. By a small Lingcholi and big Lingcholi, which is quite tough. Anyhow, everybody reached temple at 4:30 p.m. and this time temple was closed. We checked in and rest for a while because everybody was tired. We had a lovely tea with fruit bun. Later we participate in evening aarti at temple. Amazing Himalaya view including Meru, Sumeru, Kedar Peak, Ganesh Peak and other snow-covered mountains. Early morning, Satish and Anurag went to Bhairavnath, which is further 1 kilometer up hills from Kedarnath Valley. They had some good shots of pictures. Later, we all together do the prayer for the corona-free world and witness amazing Himalaya view